Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this session, we are going to learn about range data type and set data type. Range data type and set data type. Okay. Before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. Today, by the end of this class, you are able to learn about range and set data type, uh, which is useful for data processing, and they can also ask you questions in interviews on these range and set data types. Okay, without any further delay, let's start our today's class. So, in the last class, we have discussed about list data type and tuple data type. What is the difference between this list and tuple data type is list data type is comes enclosed with square brackets, and the tuple data type is enclosed with parentheses. Okay, insertion order is preserved for both. That means whatever we give the data as input, the same kind of data it gives as an output without any changes or modification. Next one, heterogeneous objects means we can give multiple data types as its inputs, like integer, string, bool, float, complex, whatever you want, we can give. And next one, duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed means we can give same number of data multiple times. Next, growable in nature means we can add or remove the data which we have given previously from the list or tuple. So here in tuple we are unable to give we are unable to modify the data, but in list we can modify. Okay. Next, indexing and slicing are supported. Whatever the range we want to process the data, or we want to take the some part of the data, then we can easily take from that. Okay. Next, list is immutable and tuple is immutable. List mutable means we can change the input data. Tuple means we can immutable means we can not change the data. Okay, those are the difference and about list and tuple data type. Today, now coming to the today's session, we are going to start about range data type. Fifth one, range data type. Range data type. So in range data type, what is the meaning of range is it will give the output as from specific numbers to specific range to the specific range. Okay, some 0 to 10, some are from 10 to 20, like that. If you whatever we give input as input for this range data type, then it will generate their associated output. For understanding this, we have to go with practically. I'm opening ideally to understand the decision in a practical way. So here, first I'm taking some variable. Variable name is called R. R equal to range. Range of 10. Okay, so range of 10. Now I want to know which data type the R is. Type of R. So it is in range data type. Okay. So R range is from 0 to 10. R range is from 0 to 10. How can we print the R values that is from 0 to 10? By using for loop. By using for loop. For loop, we can understand this for loop in upcoming classes also. See, this is a small topic for loop. So I am giving here for loop for to print the values from 0 to 10. For I in range, I in R. R means range data type. Okay. Next R print of I. Okay. So it has given the range from 0 to 9. 10 means 10 minus 1 9 mean it will 0 is considered as one digit. That's why it will give from 0 to 9. 0 to 9, how many numbers? 0 is 1, 1 means 2, 2 means 3. Okay. So 9 means 10. 0 to 9. Okay. Next, I want to generate the values from 10 to 20. 10 to 20. Then how I will give the input? Just give me a minute. Range of or equal to range of 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. Now I want to print these values for I in R. For I in R, print of I. Print of I. Give me a minute. R equal to range 10 comma 20. Give me a minute. So it will generate the values from 10 to 20, 10 to 19. Okay. Next, I am opening the fresh IDLE. So here I want to generate the values from 10 to 50, that but the delay between or the step between each value must be 5 numbers. The step between each value must be 5 numbers. That is how just I am going to explain that. Just I am here, I am going to give range of range of 10 comma 50 comma 5. Next, for I in or print of I. So here, what is 10? 10 is the starting number and 50 is the ending number. Then what is 5? 5 is an, if you want to take some time, then pause the video and think, then play the video. Okay, so here 5 is the delay or step between the values. Okay, that means 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, like that it will print. Okay, so here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 up to 45 it will print. Up to 45 it will print. Now I want to know the value of 0, I mean r of 0 value. R of 0, 10. I want to print the r of minus 1 value. R of minus 1 value, that is 45. R of minus 2, okay, 42. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, like that it will generate. Okay, but if I want to change the value from 10 to 100, so 10 value is 0, right? R of 0 equal to 10, but instead of 10 I want to give 100. Whether it let's see whether it is possible or not. R of 0 equal to 100. Actually it is an immutable data type, so it will not take that, like, okay, so it will not allow access for changing the number. So he see here, it will not taking that number. Okay, next. So here I want to write the notes for the today session. Just wait. Range data. Range data type represents a sequence of numbers. Range data type represents a sequence of numbers. Next point. Sorry. Range of 10. Generates the value from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Second point, range 10 comma 20. We have taken this as second example. Generates the value from from 10 to 19. 90. Next, third point, range 10 comma 50 comma 5. Here 5 is called as step or increment value. Increment value. Next, generates sorry values from 10 comma 15 20 25 30 35 40 45. Okay. Next, we can't change the input values once we have given. Then the type of feature is called immutable data type. It is immutable. It is immutable. Okay. Next, this is about range data type. Now I want to start about the set data type. Set data type. Set data type. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, guys. Yeah, here. So I am opening the ID. I want to open fresh ideally for set data type. So here I had opened fresh ideally. What is set data type? Set data type are enclosed with the flower brackets. Set types are enclosed with the flower brackets. Let's see. S equal to in flower brackets. I am giving 10 comma 30 comma 20 comma 50 comma 40. 10 comma 20 30 comma 20 comma 40. Next, I want to know the which data type it is. Which data type the S is. Type of S. So it is an set data type. It is an set data type. Next, I want to print the values of S. How can I print? Print of S. Values will be printed, but the values we have given uh, as 10 30 20 50 40, but it is printed 50 20. So there is no proper order in this set data type. You must to understand. Okay, it will generate like a random. Okay, it will not take the input as it is. It will take input and it will change the output. Okay, it will modify or it will change the output values. Values, not values, values order it will change. Okay, that you need to understand. Next, so is it allowed to give multiple data types like heterogeneous? Let's try. S equal to in flower brackets 10 comma 1.2. 10 means integer, 1.2 means float, 1.2 means float, and I want to give here one boolean value, that is true. Next, I want to print these values. So it will allow to give multiple data types, whether it may be integer, string, bool, complex, whatever it may be. It will allow the second thing, and here also it was changes the order. Okay, and now let's try with the is it allow the duplicate values or not? Is it allow the duplicate values or not? So 10 comma 20 comma 10 comma 10 20 10 10 comma 20 comma 10 10 20 10 20 30 20 30 10. I had given same kind of data multiple times, same kind of values multiple times. Let's see, is it allowed or not? Now I want to print the S value. So I had given 10 20 30 multiple times, but it has taken it has taken single time only. It has taken single time only. That means that it will not allow us to give duplicate values. It will not allow us to give duplicate values. Now I want to print the s of 0 value, first value. How can I print s of 0? Is it allow s of 0? No, it will not allow, because the order is always changing. It will not give the output. Okay, it will not give the output as it is. That's why it will not support indexing. It will not support indexing. Next, I want to add the values for the above set. I want to add the values for the above set. Then s equal to ten comma 20. Next, s values are 10, 20. Now I want to add 30 to 30, 40 to these values, these 10, 20 values. How can I add? S dot add 30. Next, s dot add 40. Now I want to print the s values. So it has added successfully 10, 20, 30, 40, but not in an order. As we know, cities will not give the output as a some order. It will take the random order. Okay. Next, I want to remove the 30 from the above set. How can I remove? S dot remove 30. Now I want to print the value of s. Wait. So it has printed without 30. Okay. 30 has removed. Okay. Now so I'm opening the fresh ideally. Just give me a minute. If you want to give listed data type, then we must specify L equal to then type of L, type of L. List. So list is presented in square brackets. Okay. Next, I want to give tuple. Tuple is represented in parentheses, right? Now I want to know type of T. Tuple. Okay. Next, how can I represent set s equal to now type of s? type of S is dictionary. Not, it will not give as its type as set. It will give the type of the type as dictionary. TT means dictionary. Then how can I print the set values? How can I give the data type as set? For understanding that, we need to use one function, that is s equal to set of this number. Then you can ask type of s. Set, type of s is set. Now I want to add the value 100 to the above set. S of add 100. Now print the s values. So s equal to 100. Okay, this is the set data type. Now we are going to write the nodes for that. So first point is value should be enclosed with curly braces. Like this. Value should be enclosed with curly braces. Second point, insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order is not preserved. That means it will not give output as same as input. It will give in order type of data as its output. Next, heterogeneous objects. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Next thing, duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Next, whether it is an it supports index or slicing. Index or slicing. So it will not give the output as in an order format which we have given as input. So it means that it is an it will not support indexing and slicing. It will not support indexing and slicing. indexing and slicing are not allowed. Next point. Is it global in nature? Yes, we can add and remove the numbers. So that is global in nature. Next, is it mutable collection data type? Yes, it is a mutable because we can change the values. If we can't change, then it is considered in immutable data type. But here it is set is mutable data type. Mutable collection. It is mutable collection. Okay, this is about set data type. This is about set data type. So today in this session we have discussed about range data type and set data type. Here I want to give this. Range represents a sequence of numbers. Okay, and ranges of data is generated by like this, and set is an enclosed with curly braces. It is not, instruction order is not preserved, heterogeneous objects allowed, duplicates are not allowed, indexing and slicing are not allowed. Global in nature means we can add and remove the numbers. It is mutable collection. Mutable collection means it is an, we can change the input values. This is about range and set data type. If we have doubts regarding in the this session or any previous session, then please comment below. Okay, then please comment below. Thanks for watching.